student, I will ask you some question about your daily routine. So who's gonna be the first student? Yes, please. What's your name?
My name is
Mohan. Where do you live?
I live in America.
You live in Harmuka. Could you please tell me how old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Okay. Mohan, could you please tell me what do you want to be in the future?
Experiment.
Okay. So could you please tell me what do you do in the morning?
I get up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I get dressed.
And what do you do after you get dressed?
I have breakfast. I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Thank you so much. You're gonna be the second student. Yes, Allah, please. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am fine. Thank you so much. Allah, where do you live?
I live in Handra.
Could you please tell me how old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Allah, what do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a teacher.
You want to be a teacher, yeah? Which teacher? English? Science? Okay, could you please tell me what do you do in the morning?
I get up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth.
Do you have breakfast in the morning?
Yes,
Okay. And after you get dressed and you have a breakfast, where do you do?
I go to school.
Very good. Thank you so much. Another student? Yes, please. What's your name?
My name is Hala.
Rowan, where do you live?
I live in Gold.
How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Okay, Rowan. Could you please tell me what do you want to be in the future?
I will be a teacher.
You want to be a teacher? Yes. Tell me about your evening routine, please. What do you do in the evening?
I eat dinner.
Yeah.
I watch TV.
You watch TV.
I do my homework.
Okay. Do you have anything to do else in the evening?
I take a bath.
Very good. Thank you so